In this video, we will discuss all possible ways to restore deleted photos and pictures on iPhone to help you get your precious items back. The methods described below can be applied to all iPhone models. Part 1. How to recover deleted photos from iPhone recently deleted folder. Use recently deleted folder on iOS 8 or newer iPhones. Photos stay for 40 days before permanent deletion. It works for accidental deletions only, not for lost backup or software issues. Part 2. How to find deleted photos on iPhone with Finder. Connect your iPhone to your Mac. Open Finder on your macOS Catalina. Tap on your iPhone in the left-hand menu when it appears. Tap Restore a Backup. Select a backup. Tap Restore to complete the process. Part 3. How to retrieve deleted photos on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Connect your iPhone to the computer, then open iTunes. Tap on your iPhone icon. Tap Restore Backup. Select the backup that contains photos that you want to recover, then click Restore. Part 4. How to recover deleted pictures from iPhone via iCloud. Go to Settings, tap General, then Reset. Reset your iPhone by erasing all content and settings. Set your iPhone, then Restore from iCloud Backup. Log in with your Apple ID. Tap Choose Backup. Select the latest iCloud backup to recover. Part 5. How to recover deleted iPhone photos from third-party services. You can also recover your permanently deleted pictures for your iPhone if you have backed them up with a third-party service like OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Photos. Part 6. How to recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup. How to recover deleted photos from iCloud after 30 days. If you have deleted your photos without a backup, you can still recover them using iPhone recovery software like iPhone Data Recovery.